So 48 floors, that's whoever gone, open up the radars. Hold on, speed it up. Hold on,
Run that back turbo.
speed it up. Speed it up, eat it up. Eat it up, eat it up. Speed it up, speed it up. Hold on, speed it up. Hold on.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a new video. I'm gonna be talking about any topic that's going on in media today. Since I'm a PR student, I might as well talk about my opinions, how I feel, any tea that's going on, and we're gonna talk about this, and I'm gonna do my makeup as well and get ready. Today's tea talks is going to be all about the Tristan Thompson, Khloe Kardashian, and Jordyn Woods situation. Now, I think that whole situation is something that we need to talk about. So, yes, let's talk tea. So this whole Khloe Kardashian, Tristan Thompson, Jordyn Woods situation is just so crazy. But I don't find it crazy because it's just like, Khloe girl, sis, I don't think he wants to be with you. That's just my opinion. I mean, take it or leave it. That's just what I think. For the simple fact, I'm gonna be looking right here just because my mirror is right here, but that's just what I feel like. So my whole thing is with Jordyn Woods, I feel like sis did what she did, which I don't understand. Like, Kylie's your best friend, like, of all people, and like, you seen True become born. You seen that. You seen like legit everything with that family, and then you just went, God knows what you did with him, and you were so close to the family. On the low, they're saying how they've been dealing with each other for like a month now. My whole thing with Jordyn is, girl, you literally don't have to do anything. Kylie Jenner's your best friend, girl, your best friend, and you just did that to her sister. So I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows just a little bit. But yeah, like, you literally don't have to do anything, and I feel like you just ruined your whole, basically just ruined your coin because you want to be with somebody like Tristan Thompson, which people are saying that he has an issue. I honestly don't feel like he has an issue. I honestly just feel like he doesn't like Khloe, and he's young, he's a baller, he has money, there's all these girls that's just gonna throw their stuff to him. He doesn't want to be tied down. Like, I completely understand that, but you have to understand that there is a child involved. So I feel like they need to have, them meaning like Khloe and Tristan, need to have a sit down and be like, listen, we're just not gonna be together, this is not what I want, and that's it. Like, for the sake of True, that's what they need to do. And then my whole thing is, I'm not even mad at Jordyn. I mean, they can't be mad because Jordyn is basically doing what they was doing to everybody else. I mean, come on, the amount of people that the Kardashians been with, not even saying the people on the low that we don't know about. Come on, like, she's basically keeping up with y'all. So for instance, Kylie, you was talking to Tyga when Tyga was full blown in a relationship with Black China, and Black China was best friends with Kim Kardashian. So isn't this like kind of the same situation? I mean, I think it's the same. Like, I think it's the same situation because that was your best friend. The only difference is just like, this is really more of an intimate type of close circle with each other. Because yeah, Jordyn, you've been friends with Kylie since you guys were in, I think, 8th grade. You guys been friends. But my only thing is with Jordyn is, girl, you wanted to deal with someone like Tristan Thompson. Like, don't get me wrong, he's cute, but he ain't nobody to lose basically like your house, because they were living together and all of that extra stuff. Like, he wasn't worth any of that, especially because he's with Chloe. He's with Chloe. So that's just how I feel about it. Kylie, she can be mad at Jordyn, and plus I understand, like, the Kardashians, for them to be like sisters, they're pretty close. So they stick with each other. They really do. So I mean, Jordyn did move out of Kylie's house, so I feel like Kylie is on some type of time and like, sis, no, like, I'm not dealing with you in that. But I'll put a little bit. But yeah, back to the topic that we were talking about. Tristan Thompson, I just think he don't like Chloe. That's just how I feel. I feel like if a guy really, really wants to be with you, they're gonna do everything in their power to be with you, to keep you. I feel like he got his money worth with being with her. So that's just how I feel. Like, I feel like if he really, really likes her, he'll be with her. I feel like even though now you still did this and you have a child, you just don't care. You just really just don't care. That's just how I feel about it. And I feel like if you really, really liked her, you would have not cheated. And with all people with Jordyn Woods, like, come on. Don't get me wrong, like, Jordyn Woods is not ugly. She did a little altering her body because she wasn't nothing cute to look at before. But she's not ugly. I actually seen her in person a couple of times, and you know, she's not that bad. You know what I'm really waiting for? This year at BeautyCon, I want to see if sis is gonna be there. Yeah, I want to see that. She's there. It's gonna be funny. Cause you know, some of your kids, they're a little crazy. You know, say some things you don't want to be said to you. Not me, but you know. But yeah, I just think that she could have played her cards right a little more. She could have been with anybody else. She could have like messed with anybody. Trust me, there's people that would literally talk to her just because that's Kylie's friend. Yes, this color. because every time I try to go buy the clothes, there don't be no clothes there. But basically Tristan Thompson was with this girl, and they was together, and he cheated on her while she was 6 months pregnant with their son. He cheated on her with Chloe, and Chloe didn't care, and then they ended up getting together and then being in a relationship together, and then she ended up getting pregnant with True. So this is your karma. And I understand, yes, it is sad, they and all that, but you took her man too, sis. Like, you did the same thing. Like, you legit did the same thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my face powder by Sephora. This is in Toffee Peach. I'm gonna take a little bit and then just go down here and set my face. Yeah, just go over everything. So yes, you did that. You did that too. So I'm gonna go into this contour to set. Highlight. So I do highlight twice. So I do highlight now. So it's like there, right? And then when I set my face, I just highlight again. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Take my fan brush and brush that out. So that's just how I feel about the whole situation. I feel like Jordyn should have never did that, because sis, why? Any other guy. And then he tried to be slick and be on some like have a party and then tell everybody they take their phones. Like, that's like me being on some type of like, for instance, say my friend threw a party, right? And my man go to the party. And I don't know about this party. I don't go to the party. And my man is cheating on me with some other girl at the party. But nobody could record it. But my friend went and told me, like, I saw your man cheating on you with somebody else at the party. My first intention is not gonna ask, let me see proof. I'm gonna believe my friend, because why would my friend lie and say that to me? You get what I'm saying? And it's just like, what is the benefit of anybody making up a story like this? Because he could have said Tristan Thompson and somebody else. But Tristan Thompson and Jordyn Woods, that's something different. You get what I'm saying? So I don't think it's a lie, because that would just be a dumbass lie. You was just better off saying the IG model than Jordyn Woods. Like, whoa, my bottom lashes are cooperating with me today. Okay. Wow. Look at the difference. My makeup looks really, really good up close. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna spray. So I feel like I didn't get this side. highlight again where I sprayed because I need it to pop out, and my highlight needs to be blinging. So for long lip liner, I'm using MAC Cork. I used to have chestnut and I lost it, and I just never bought it. So for lip combo, my favorite is Fenty Beauty. They're like similar, to be honest, I'm not even gonna lie. But no two lip glosses are the same. Even though they look the same, they're not. I just love my Fenty so much. And it smells so good. Okay. So this is the finished makeup. Let me just get a little bit closer. So yeah, this is the finished makeup. You guys can see in the way, but look, it's pretty natural. Lashes is so pretty. This is lip combo. Up a little bit because I didn't tie my hair down and I sleep really crazy. Just do this right here because I like a little volume on the top, so I just brush it. And I just basically like just style it a little bit. So that, yeah, y'all can see. So this is the finished look. As y'all guys could see, this is my hair. My hair is all of these different pinks. So pretty. Show you the back of it. Back of it. The back of my hair. Lashes sitting. Skin looking flawless. Highlight popping. Yeah, so this is a finished look. I will list all of the products that I use down below. I will also link my Instagram and my hair page so you guys can purchase this full lace unit. You can also get it colored like this as well if you hit up my stylist, just by saying Dream. So I'm gonna insert my hair page, which is Crowned by Aura, so make sure you guys follow me and you guys get some really good affordable bundles and full lace wigs and luxury machine made custom units. If you guys want this look or just want some bundles, make sure you check my page out. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys come back for another Tea Talks with Tati. I'm so happy you guys came to my channel, and thank you very much.